In this video, I show you how to add follow button on Facebook profile. For doing this, open Facebook app. Now click on three line. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Scroll down. Then click on how people find you and contact you. Now click on who can you send friend request. Click on it. Click on friends of friends. Save. Go back. Then scroll down. Then find out followers and public content. Click on it. Now click on who can follow me. Click on it. Make it friends to friends from public. Click on public. Then click on saves. Go back. Now go to your profile icon. Then click on three dot. Now click on view as. Now you can see that follow option. Now I hope that you add follow button on your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.